Not everyone will understand your path. That's fine. Approval doesn't give confidence. Only knowing inside that you're riding for the right reason does. You've already suffered, don't let it be for nothing. Turn that pain into purpose. Make every hard moment count for something. Transform struggle into strength. If this speaks to you, like it. Dreams without action remain fantasies. Move forward and turn your dreams into reality. You ever wonder if it's worth it? Every day. And I keep breathing anyway. That's not an answer. It's the only one that matters. You shattered. Everyone saw. You thought that was the end. But the cracks caught light. And something golden filled them. Now, you gleam where you once bled. That's beauty, not perfect. But lived. Pain didn't ruin you. It revealed you. When you think you're done, you're usually 40% in. The rest is hidden behind the wall of, I can't. Push once more, and that wall becomes dust. You don't break, you evolve. Let exhaustion turn into rebirth. If you've pushed past your limits, hit like. Fear is always nearby. It's not an enemy, it's a signal testing your resolve. You can listen to its whisper and slow down, or twist the throttle harder and show who's in control. Courage is not the absence of fear, but moving forward despite it. Every step through fear makes you stronger. Don't look for a path without fear, look for a path with determination. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite it. Every step through fear strengthens character. The world rewards those who move forward. Don't fear taking the first step, it's the most important in any journey. Every moment is a chance to change your life. The longer you wait, the further opportunities drift away. Don't postpone until tomorrow what can be the start today. Risk is part of the journey, and it's always worth it. Begin moving right now. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. Do it tired, do it bored, do it anyway. That's where real power lives. If you agree, drop a like. Doubting yourself? Afraid of failure? Mistakes are part of the path to success. Every misstep teaches and makes you stronger. Keep moving forward, even if the road is tough. Learn from every step.